Heavy rain threw normal life out of gear in several parts of Bihar, with the state capital Patna being among the worst affected. Continuous downpour has led to water logging across Patna. Died among the most powerful cyclones to hit India and Bangladesh.
Fires are scorching the west coast, leaving behind a path of death and destruction. In California, the August complex fire has become the largest fire in state history.
The world is facing a catastrophic violence. Normal life out of gear in several parts of Bihar, with the state capital.
Mitigating climate change is everyone's responsibility. We all as consumers need to adopt to sustainable consumption behavior, while the producers and marketers need to adopt to sustainable production practices by embedding sustainability into the DNA of their business strategies across the value chains.
If I have the power to mitigate the climate change, I would be promoting and giving subsidies to affordable, sustainable houses. That is to produce its own solar power, to produce its own vegetation through rooftop vegetation, and to restore its own water table through groundwater restoration. So I will promote those kind of projects.
I would implement carbon tax on all the corporates and their suppliers to mitigate climate change.
In order to mitigate climate change, if I was in power, I would encourage a shift from fossil fuels to renewable energy as soon as possible.
I believe we already do have the power to mitigate climate change, since each action, each individual contribution counts, and if we all make considerate choices, then it will be done.
Try to switch more over renewable energies. Use public transport for traveling as much as you can, and choose a government who are more concerned about the climate change, because as we are having a power to mitigate the climate change in the form of our voting right.
Change only happens at individual level. If I had the power to mitigate climate change, I would spread awareness. Second, shift to renewable energy. Third, improve my eating habits. Fourth, will shift to public transport instead of private vehicles. Consume less, waste less, and let the planet thrive and hand over a better place to the future generations. Thank you.
If I had the power to mitigate climate change, I'd be doing a couple of things. Firstly, I'll be reducing the water waste. Secondly, I'll be investing in more electrically efficient appliances in my home and for commercial purpose. Thirdly, I'll be encouraging the use of bicycle ride in and around the city.
Just by reducing our waste to minimum, we can mitigate climate change, especially the food waste, thus cutting on energy and emissions required to grow, harvest, transport, package and dispose it.
If I had the power to mitigate climate change, I would start with education. I think education is a critical element in the response to the challenges of climate change. If we keep sustainable development at the core of our education system, we can start a journey towards a better earth.
If I had the power to mitigate climate change, I would increase the rate at which the world would transition from non-renewable to renewable resource of energy, and hence make Earth a better place to live.
If I had the power to mitigate climate change, I would have tried my best to minimize the use of private vehicles and include more public transportation ways, so that a day comes when the use of private vehicles is minimized to the maximum possible extent. Thank you.